What is happening? Microsoft Sphere is back, and we're kicking things off with a bang. Get ready as we explore how Microsoft 365 Copilot is transforming businesses by putting AI at the heart of critical functions. We're talking sales, service, and finance professionals moving to the frontier with unprecedented AI integration. This is huge. But that's not all. We're diving into the financial markets as portfolio manager Daniel Niles weighs in on Amazon and Microsoft stocks, arguing their recent dips might actually be healthier for the market's long-term stability. Is this a buying opportunity or a sign of bigger shifts to come? Next up, a massive win for Windows developers. Microsoft is waiving all fees for publishing apps on the Microsoft Store, opening the floodgates for creators. We'll break down exactly what this means for developers and the future of the Windows ecosystem. And finally, we're taking a close look at Microsoft's recent workforce adjustments, including targeted layoffs, and what it signifies for the tech giant's strategic direction. Plus, a sneak peek at the exciting Indie Select's Demo Fest. Stick around for all the details and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. AI is revolutionizing your job. Microsoft 365 Copilot for sales, service, and finance. This is the future of work, and it's powered by AI. Microsoft is taking its groundbreaking Microsoft 365 Copilot and supercharging it for the professionals who drive business, sales, service, and finance teams. These are the people on the front lines, dealing directly with customers and managing the company's financial health. Microsoft is calling these AI-powered organizations frontier firms, and with over 100 million users already adopting Copilot, including over 70% of the Fortune 500, this transformation is happening fast. For sales professionals, Copilot is integrating directly into their daily tools like Outlook and Teams, as well as leading CRMs like Dynamics 365 and Salesforce. Imagine preparing for a client meeting with instant access to all relevant CRM data, or asking Copilot to identify deals at risk and even help draft plans to close them, all within your workflow. Sean Worsley from Sandvik Coromant is already seeing the potential, stating that integrating AI across the business can be scaled much faster now. Customer service agents are getting a major boost too. Copilot can now generate concise case summaries, draft customer-ready emails with resolution details, and help update CRM records without switching applications. This means faster responses and more time to focus on what matters most, helping customers. And for finance teams, Copilot is bringing ERP data directly into their workflow. They can draft customer emails with payment histories, accelerate financial reconciliation, perform variance analysis, and even prepare data for reports, saving countless hours of manual work. Connections to ERP tools like Dynamics 365 and SAP are making this seamless. These powerful role-based solutions will be available for Microsoft 365 Copilot customers through the Copilot Agent Store starting in October 2025. It's clear that Microsoft is committed to empowering every role with AI to work smarter and faster. Audience impact. This move is set to dramatically boost productivity across core business functions, with users and analysts already buzzing about the potential for accelerated innovation and efficiency gains. The integration with major CRM and ERP systems is seen as a key factor in widespread adoption. Get ready, because the financial markets are reacting too. We're breaking down what's next for major tech stocks. Market shakeup. Are dips in Amazon and Microsoft stocks actually a good thing? When major tech stocks like Amazon and Microsoft see their prices dip, it often sends ripples of concern through the investment world. However, according to Niles Investment Management founder Daniel Niles, these movements might be a sign of a healthier market overall. He argues that these fluctuations, often seen as negative, could actually be beneficial in the long run. Niles explains that catching a stock at its growth inflection point is key to smart investing. While the specifics of his analysis on Amazon and Microsoft weren't detailed in the provided snippet, his core argument suggests that market corrections can weed out unsustainable growth and allow for more robust, long-term performance. This perspective challenges the immediate reaction to stock price drops, urging investors to look beyond the day-to-day volatility. Audience impact. Investors and market watchers are closely analyzing Niall's perspective, with discussions heating up online about whether these tech giants are entering a period of consolidation or setting the stage for renewed growth. His insights offer a contrarian view that could influence trading strategies. But the good news for the tech world isn't just on Wall Street. We're heading over to the Windows ecosystem for a developer game changer. Microsoft Store goes free for Windows developers. Big news for creators. Microsoft is rolling out a massive change today, completely eliminating publishing fees for individual Windows developers on the Microsoft Store. This move is designed to make the platform more accessible and empower a wider range of developers to share their innovations. Developers can now submit a variety of app types, including Win32, NetWPF and WinForms, UWP, PWA, NetMaui, and Electron apps, without any upfront registration costs. Microsoft is also stepping in to handle app hosting and signing for free. This means developers won't need to worry about setting up their own content delivery networks, CDNs, or paying for code signing services. Microsoft will host binaries on their infrastructure and provide free signing to enhance trust and security, with automatic updates delivered to users. Furthermore, for non-gaming applications, developers can implement their own in-app payment systems and keep 100% of the revenue generated. To get started, developers simply need to sign in with a personal Microsoft account and follow a new guided onboarding process. Identity verification will be required, involving a government-issued ID scan and a selfie. Chetna Does, a senior product manager at Microsoft, highlighted that removing these fees eliminates a significant barrier for many creators. This initiative aims to foster a more inclusive and accessible platform, encouraging more developers to innovate and thrive within the Windows ecosystem. The Microsoft Store, which already boasts over 250 million monthly active users, received a significant redesign with Windows 11, expanding its support for diverse app development frameworks. Audience impact. This announcement has sent waves of excitement through the developer community, with many praising Microsoft for removing a key barrier to entry and fostering a more supportive environment for innovation on Windows. While developers celebrate, we're also looking at shifts within Microsoft itself. Next, we'll uncover the details behind recent workforce changes. Microsoft's strategic shifts, layoffs, and a boost for indie gaming. Microsoft is navigating a period of strategic adjustments, with recent workforce changes, including targeted layoffs, impacting 42 employees. While the company stated these are necessary parts of managing the business and prioritizing growth areas, the exact contribution of these specific cuts to strategic growth remains unclear. This follows previous larger-scale layoffs, indicating a continuous evaluation of its workforce. Despite these adjustments, Microsoft is also doubling down on its commitment to the gaming world, particularly with its ID at Xbox program. This initiative supports independent game development, with Microsoft having invested a substantial $5 billion. To celebrate this, they are launching the Indie Selects Demo Fest, offering a range of free game demos from now until September 30th. Featured titles include the Jackbox Party Pack 11, Dead Reset, Military Logistics Simulator, and Underpar, Golf Architect. On the financial front, analysts maintain a strong buy consensus for MSFT stock, with a significant upside potential indicated by price targets. This suggests a positive outlook from Wall Street despite the internal workforce changes. Audience impact. Gamers are eagerly anticipating the Indie Selects Demo Fest, while investors are closely watching analyst ratings and stock performance, showing a mixed but generally positive sentiment towards Microsoft's future. And that brings us to the end of today's updates. Let's do a quick recap before you go. And that's a wrap on today's Microsoft Sphere. We saw how Microsoft 365 Copilot is revolutionizing sales, service, and finance. We heard why market dips in Amazon and Microsoft stocks might be healthier than they seem. We celebrated Microsoft waiving all fees for Windows developers on the Microsoft Store, and we took a closer look at Microsoft's recent workforce adjustments and their exciting indie gaming initiatives. Don't miss out on future tech breakdowns. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more, smash that notification bell so you never miss an update, and comment below with your thoughts. And follow us on all our social channels for even more exclusive content.